Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of this type of famous Italian charcuterie. We're going to be looking at how to say more delicious Italian food names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Mortadella, mortadella is how it would be said in Italy, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Mortadella, mortadella, from Italian, mortadella, mortadella. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Italian food dishes names, more delicious products from Italy, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.